Bosumi bia eni emunsem sanso na wotwe bia eni emunsem na abusua na wotwe anase weekend ya ebetwa emu ide eyejahyehye ene de baaye na meka ne se ya na mekire me bubo bi so ede akire efiada ya on the 3rd Saturday ya on the 3rd ena eja eto Zenith University ehye niema bebre dwere kra sa Saturday na mu 3rd na mu ena esanso eto CMB police station chese eno nsususu the same thing na ese niema pa enya kaya yofo esuasuansuo edikodum na nka nya semketo akra enne day ahomrachi between 1 to 2 a.m. esanso ababeto Rollins Park ya eno nso building eso eja atomu ahomrachi we ya enya semketo akra chese wo mu chirechire mu yesi ayelofo bi wo hono a omo no mototo ayelo wo hono na wo mu suspect se na eja no ni baby efi baaye no wo mu suspect sa ayelo yefuoi na wo mu suspect se omo na di sa fire outbreak yi baaye na eyewitness wo ka ho a wo che asem ni mu ne se na wo da hono ma notice voices se wo mu inkrofo tietemu eja ntu wo sorry a wo hwe baby eja ni efi na wo mu ye sure se Yasin chese dinu edin a wo mo de betu ho Yasin na chese wo mu na ono enedi yayilofo na nimo osedeyo ono ena omo suspect so de eja na emomo eja na nkasa potin de wo mu ni baby e sha ase efi ye na emomo omo suspicion ayilofo ne ho no mo na asem no efi na wo mu timi hu se tenia asem no ekọ baaye no obi mistake bi a wo ye emeja ne bai na ne etwa wo kese ewo mu enu nti ye ka asem we de achom ye fire service for CMB ye ka fire service for 300 meters away from them eja hyehye ni du no ba no chese wo mu baby o metini hu se eja bi ehye wo baby a emu ntwempo ma obi mfre omumpo ansa na omatu omo ka aba nanso wo anya ne sa obusia wo nkrofo sign so fa phone frefre nkrofo yi beye de wo ho it took them hours and sa no mo ba bedu ho no mo omo bedu ho na kaya yofo no edumeja no wo ho no awie the same thing Rollins Park there so the same thing as a me no ka senso ejasen atomokola market mu chese enya sem keto no so the same problem fire service for enye amma on time omo bedu yen so omo nsuo so enti dem pa aden fire service for aden ananu video bi fire service abomode incident esi na wakodu ona fe no mo de gallons ebubu nsuo efi bebi hwehwe egu anso makwa akodu meja na woti omemu se wo ye ejuma na se bebi tochima na niema nko yi se wo sorry na wo ye wejuma as it na what na ti ama ya frɛ wa se ya frɛ unsususu atama wo pɛ enkrofo ejapade ehye wo mu niema ehye abaya baako ka wo si na ejapade ne sister ejapade owo nyina ne wiase nyina ene baby a wo mote ene niema egu ho ne nyina hye afei na obi ba behye brase enso ye na mu hu eja ne ntem ena mo sorry baaye ena mo beye yanka ebi yanka some things will be safe CMBDA senye kaya yofo ena nyame mama akoma ne temane ahoden ena wo kwose so mo de kaya yo pan kwose setesa nsu a bedum na entinka no nso wo mo wo ho na tese police station ho ebehia ma akwa prisoners ni na ekeka wo nyina na no nso de asem foforo abagana aden na omanyimu wo mu a eseso omu security personnel say wo omanyimu a eseso omu yo mu duties wo omanyimu are not doing it aden why do we have you people Why are you security service service personnel? You are there to protect us in the country. Na se bibitu yen civilians na se ye tu yen safra na ye tu yen ni ye frema na mumu ba bedane adeso aman na che se oman na ye timu no niti dem pa na ye ho oman mu. How are we going to live in this country? If something should happen, na se ye be free security personnel in the country and they will neglect us for us to go in pain and also lost every good things that we have suffered for. How do we live in the country? How do we call Ghana a peaceful country? How do we grow the country? And last of all, how do we fix Ghana? Fixing Ghana is not only the president too. Fixing Ghana is not only the president and now binding in penny for them say fixing Ghana. No. Abaye juma ye fo na muwo mu no ankasa mo kan bi. If you water Ghana water company, electricity, one fire service, soldier, police, one munyina, you people are there to help. It is through you and Abaye de befa e dey affect the country, not by himself. It is a mona or Bernard most affects the country. You are not doing your work. You are rather putting worse in the country. Then how do we survive? How do we cope? How can the president also do his job as a president? So okofa agi nyame nyankopon eba ebetena konwa ne supo na se yenye yedwuma yie oman yi mu one etwa ne ho ahia are not helping him crapona, this country will still be the hell that it is. Eja ehye oyonku ejefie ehye ahomrache nda. Look at the time 1 to 2, between 1 to 2 a.m. na eja ehye police station also say it's the same area. And then so mokola so fire services so your friend so atama mo pe na mo de ba ya so munsuo so a shorty aden. Why should it be so? Aden ti na say yetena yen aye man na ye ho chie na mum ye ko obi man so mpa ehwo no mo na ye ko nkwaso mu me fanse nkwaso mu se wo ko sho obi ase atwitwi obi da mu atwitwi ne excuse me to say ne wall the toilet so ansa na wanya sika e de address ya didi akwa no. A home we feel more comfortable than our own country. As we say, Chibe or dentist or sayem, and so say, me, I say, on sayem, a mumuyanyo, a chen on sechi. On sechi ababa ye say. Ebusia, Ghana, we are in a mess. We are in mess in this country, papa, and to who bomb paya. Mpaibona na ye kasa mpaibona obi nti aba na mpaibona apa na betimi aboa ye ewo man mu. Sanya mpaibo a dien biom na betimi aye to save us in the country. Because those we can rely on are disappointing us in the country. Ebusia ha ena meja mu esi. For wadwen kire ebra now we are subscribing to Too Much GH. Let me a notification bar so follow your IG, Facebook. We are Brahmahim on Twitter. Ho hia me pa. Media ene akosua pokua answer aka apa makram essential.